I know it's been a little while since we updated on the M45 rebuild, but we've just been waiting to find the perfect parts car, and we have found it. If you remember, ours was hit in the driver's side front, needed a fender and a door. It also needed a headlight, side marker, passenger fender, and a bunch of random interior stuff. And then we found, thanks to Noah, the perfect parts car. It's almost exactly the same, except the interior is tan other than black. Perfect fender, perfect door. The grille is much nicer. And whatever happened to this thing? Really gross. But anyway, we are going to part out this M45, and I'll post a link to the part out once we add it and get it done. So everything's for sale off of it except for, of course, what we use. As for the interior, it's tan. It's very nice, other than the seat, but it functions. And we should actually be able to use the motors for the other seat in the other car, so it'll all work out. Got a little bit of rust here and there, but the big part was the rust on the rocker down here. It was pretty bad, and then around the windshield too. So follow us, and next time we will put the door, the fender, and all the parts on the new car, and we'll have this car parted out.